Hey guys, it's JC from Exploring Canada with JC and Berlin. Just want to give you an update. So, like our car has been broke down from I think more than a month. It's with the Hyundai dealership. So it's regarding an engine recall issue. So they have to replace the engine. That's why it's taking longer. So from that time, we are driving a rented vehicle as we still need to go to work. I would like to show you which car I got. So that's from the enterprise I rented. So this is the car I got from the enterprise, Nissan. So I think this is the third car we rented because we usually change it. Like this is the Nissan Murano. So before that we got the Nissan Rogue. So I will show you the interior. It is awesome. This is the back side, just all with leather. And let's check the interior. See, this is a high class model, the top class model for this car. And what features it has, I will show you. Okay, so alright, so it's definitely a push button start. So we just need to start the car and let's check. So this has the widescreen and it has the navigation as well, GPS. The cool thing I am really impressed about is the backup camera and the side view camera. See, so when I put in the reverse, so it has the backup camera, but with the backup camera it has this, so it gives you all surrounding view as well. So that is something cool I like about this car. Beside that, it has a very good space though. It has a really good space in it. You won't be able to see, but it is really deep. It is really deep inside, and so this is the look. And one more thing. Okay, I need to start it again. And it has alright, and it has this. So I'm going to show you just a moment. Alright, so it's on the side. Okay. Panoramic moonroof. So this is a really nice thing to have in a rental car. Definitely, it is awesome. Right? So this has a panoramic view, and what else it has? It has a nice speaker, and yeah, definitely it has the heated steering wheel, heated mirrors, heated front and back seats, everything. So it is a luxurious car though. Before that we got the Nissan Rogue. So it was 2019 and it was also an awesome car. It has the lane assisting feature. Like if you are going outside of the lane while driving, it will beep and it will show in the screen as well that you are going outside of the lane, so you have to come in the lane. So that's a nice feature. It has the same the blind spot detection technology, backup camera. It does not have the thing that the surrounding view. Yeah, but the Nissan Rogue was 2019 and this is a 2018 model, but I still like this. This is a really smooth car, Nissan Murano. This is the second, and before that we got the Chevrolet Cruze. Cruze was good, not bad. It was also 2018 model Chevrolet Cruze. It was a small and compact car, but it was nice to drive. I like to drive that as well. But yeah, so this what's going on. So right now I'm driving this Nissan Murano, and this Saturday they will change again to some other car because they need to sell this car. So, and the Enterprise, so I'm renting from Enterprise. Alright guys, so this is my new rent car. That's Hyundai Elantra. Sorry, Hyundai Accent. So that's a very compact one. Sorry for the noise. This is it's actually so small. Let's say from inside. This is 2018. This is 2018 Hyundai Accent, but so it's small, so it does not have much of the technology. So like it has this big screen. Not sure how many inches is it, but this is the screen. So these are the for heating and the air condition, the buttons, but still not good. But it still has a seat heating for both the sides, not for the back. Yeah, so it comes with the Android Auto, so you can connect your mobile and use the GPS. It does not have any navigation system. Yeah, so you can see the back, as it's not so big as I told you. It's actually a compact car. But the good news is it will be only for maybe 2 more days. No, not just tomorrow. Yeah, 2 or 3 days, and we'll get back our car. So it's totally fixed. So the Hyundai did the engine for us, as it's because of a recall issue. And so this is the enterprise car that we are renting. Good morning, guys. So the good news is that I got my Hyundai Sonata back. So this is my car. So as I mentioned that it had been engine recall issue, so that's why it's with Hyundai, and it takes almost around 1.5 months or maybe to replace the engine. So they replaced the whole new engine. Alright guys, so you can see this is the new engine. As you can see, this is all the new bolts and everything. So that's the new engine I got, and they even changed the dipstick. I'm not a mechanic, so I'm not sure like how it comes, but I think it will all it comes together, the engine and the dipstick. Yeah, so this is what I got. Come on, let's take a look from inside. So this is the interior. So it's all leather. So this is the upper class model. So this Hyundai is 2013, right? So but it's as it's 2013, it's upper class, so it has the sunroof, leather seats, so heated seats, front and rear as well. Yeah, so like it does not have like a backup camera or anything like that. So it has this feature, right? And yeah, this is the sunroof. As you can see, it's raining, so I can't open it, but that's the sunroof that I have. And this is the back side of the car. It's really awesome. I like the Hyundai Sonata. So like in this 1.5 month, I have been using the rental car. So as I showed the 2 cars earlier. So before that I drove Nissan Road, but I did not take the video of that car though. But it was nice as well. But the Nissan Murano was awesome. I love that car. Upper class model, so it was, I think, SL. The top class model, so it has all the features like leather seats, moonroof, the backup camera and the side view camera as well. So I showed you that. Yeah, it was so smooth in the driving, but my Hyundai Sonata is the best one that we use for exploring Canada. Yeah, one thing, like if you have Hyundai Sonata or the Hyundai car, you should check, because I'm not sure about the year, but like the Hyundai forwarded the recall notice as well to like the last year. I did the recall for this. At that time the engine was fine, but like when I had the issues, my engine light came up showing on the dashboard, so then I take to the Hyundai dealer. But before that I also took my car to the Total Quads, so I also want to give a shout out to them as well, because because like if I took to any of the mechanic, I think like they will just repair it, like whatever they should, they don't care. He said like you should check first with the Hyundai because they had the recall for this, so they can do it for free. And when I took to the Hyundai, so I found out that it's the recall issue and my car is not drivable. So they told me like you cannot drive, we have to claim, put a claim for your Hyundai car for the engine to the Hyundai Canada, and when they approve it, then they will ship my engine. They will ask for my engine, new engine, and then when the engine arrives, then they will put it in, do all the tests, and then they will give back my car. So this all took around 1.5 months, but finally I got my car. So it was like Hyundai definitely has some issues, but evidently we really appreciate Hyundai Canada that for doing this, replacing the engine, because I'm not sure like if some other company may have said, oh, it's not our issue, like you didn't drive well or anything like that. But I'm thankful to Hyundai Canada and to Toronto Hyundai as well that I gave my car for all this repairs and issues. But now it's new, it's brand new. So I have the new engine, so it's brand new. Alright guys, so that was the issue going on, and I will be soon posting the OPP Museum Part 2 as well. Because of all these things, I won't be able to do much editing stuff for the past few days. So but soon you will be seeing the other video as well for the OPP Museum Part 2. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Alright, thank you.